Yo, what's up guys? Right now I'm here at my friend's house. And basically what I'm gonna be doing is eating these like pepper things. It's of a ghost pepper and they're like flakes. Ghost chili pepper flakes. Wow, that's a lot. Well, basically I'm gonna be eating those and let's just get right into it.
We got milk right here.
Yeah, we got
just
milk.
in case. Well, let's smell it first.
You're like, ugh. Is it really that bad?
Yeah.
It's like a mixture of coffee and like
Chili.
And chili. This tastes really bad. It smells really bad.
Let's get a flake each.
No.
Let's start off with a flake. And we'll keep going. Boy, that's so big.
It's huge. It may not seem big, but it's huge. Yeah.
So let's just get a flake first.
Get a flake. No, one of those flakes.
Like seeds?
Yeah, the seed flakes.
There's a good one right there.
Okay, this is normal milk.
Alright, you see this? You see this small seed?
By the way, I'm not gonna over exaggerate. If it's not that bad, I like things that are spicy and like I like eating spices. So if it's not that bad, I'm not gonna over exaggerate. It really like stings the tip of your tongue a ton. Oh god, the back of your throat. After you eat the back of your throat.
Oh god.
Really not that bad. Okay.
No, I'm dying over here.
Drink some milk. You need some milk. Here, now I'm gonna put a pinch for both of us here.
A pinch? Jesus Christ. Oh, come on. Boy! Look at me, how much that is. That's like a huge upgrade.
I gave myself so much more.
You got more seeds.
What?
You got more seeds.
So what? Let's get into this. Everything's for you guys. What the heck is wrong with this shirt?
I don't know.
Okay.
Really?
I'm like
Come on,
slouching.
bro. Come on, bro.
What?
Alright, fine. I'm gonna lick the whole thing.
3. Oh God!
I spit.
Oh God! Frick you! Oh God!
Seeds are spicier, by the way.
I had like 6 seeds.
Cool.
That's his sister.
Oh yeah, by the way, I'm stalking you. I can't. Okay.
True.
It's not that spicy.
I'll tell your dad. Tell her. Okay. Let's get some more. Okay.
I can't.
He can't. He's done. Taylor. This is the actual skin of the chili pepper. Oh God. The skin.
Did you end it?
No. It's the actual skin of the chili pepper.
My tongue's still burning over here, dying.
I'm not sure if it's in focus anymore, but freaking. Okay. Here.
My tongue's okay now, but I'm not taking any more of that.
All of this skin.
Dude, oh my god. Oh my god, my tongue still hurts.
It's really not that spicy.
Stop!
Oh god. Oh god.
Guys, it's like imagine that once you have like a candy or something, like a sour candy. Oh god, I got it in my eye. I got it in my eye.
Again? Earlier today, we were on a FaceTime and he's like, I got this chili pepper in my eye. Oh god. Ah.
Alright guys, I think I just lost my taste buds, so that's cool.
I'm taking his face.
My tongue's still burnt, so I got it in my freaking eye. Yeah.
Oh god. You guys, this is 50 times worse than that sandwich I ate.
Oh god.
I got almond milk, which is vanilla almond milk, so it's better. I was crying inside. Ah. 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 I need more milk.
Discretion. Warning.
Do not eat this.
This
Your
video.
discussion is advised. It is advised. It is advised.
Don't buy these. That's one advice. Don't buy these, and if you do, don't eat them. Alright? No. Alright, so this is how it is. It's like whenever